Good morning, everyone. We have completed our act first of the tragedy Macbeth, composed by William Shakespeare, and now we are starting scene first of act second. And dear students, we see in this act that whole things are about the murder of the King Duncan, which took place at inn of Macbeth. And now we go through the text. Eh, It is the time of night when King Duncan and his servants and generals are there at the place of Macbeth. And Banquo asks Flints. Flints is son of King Duncan. And Banquo says, "How goes the night, boy?" And Flint says, "The moon is down. I have not heard the clock." And then Banquo answered again that she goes down at 12. I take it's this letter. And then he says that Benko says that how goes the night, boy? And it was the question by Benko that how is the night, and answer is given by Plinth that it is moon is down, but the clock has not struck 12. And then Benko says she goes down that night. It is 12 and she goes down that night is going on. And then Benko says someone appears there and he says that who is there? It is 12 and she is going down, and they say that give me the sword. And there is a husband in heaven. Their candles are all out, and you see the scenario, a melancholic environment. I mean, the environment is very dark, and the sky is dark. There are no stars in the sky, and something bad is going to happen. These all are the ill omens of the happenings. And then they say that they take that too. A heavy summons lies like laid upon me. And Benko says that I am feeling drowsy, I am feeling headache, I am unable to awake continuously, and I want to take rest. And then say, and yet I would not sleep, and then also I am unable to sleep. Mean the Benko feels himself unrestful. Merciful powers rested in me the cursed thought that nature gives way to in rest, repose. And Benko pray to God that O Almighty, give me the solace and protect us if something bad is going to happen, if something bad is going to come. तो ये जो है दोस्तों फर्स्ट लाइन, इसमें बेंको और फ्लिंस बात कर रहे हैं. बेंको कहता है नाइट कैसी है, और फ्लिंस कहता है कि 12 बज गए, चांद नीचे जा रहा है, लेकिन अभी तक जो आसमान जो है वह बिल्कुल अंधेरा छाया हुआ है, और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि कुछ अनहोनी जैसा ऐसा प्रतीत उस बेंको को होता है. एंड देन मैकबेथ कम्स देयर, and hearing his voice, Benko says, "Who is there?" And he asks Flint to give me my sword. Who is there? And then you see, students, you feel that, students, that the effect of environment or the call of soul, it is always there. Whenever we are in trouble or something is bad, something bad is going to happen, the call, inner call, is also there. And most of the time, if you listen to our inner call, the problems can be avoided. तो जो बैंकों को लगता है, तो अब देखिए आपके मैकबेथ के मास हो रहे हैं. मैकबेथ की इनर जो है पूरी सेफ हैं, और मैकबेथ आर्मी का कैप्टन है, लेकिन फिर भी वो जो बैंको और इनको इनसिक्योर फील हो रहा है, और वो कह रहा है कि मुझे मेरी तलवार दो. वो फिर मैकबेथ कहता है अ फ्रेंड. मैकबेथ कहता है, उसको एड्रेस करता है, आई एम ए फ्रेंड हियर. एंड देन बैंको से, व्हाट सर, नॉट येट एट रेस्ट. The king is in a bed. He has been in unusual pleasure, and sent forth great largesse to your officers. This diamond he greets your wife withal by the name of most kind hostess, and shut up in measureless content. And then Benko asks Macbeth that you haven't gone to bed till now, sir. Why is it so? And the king is in deep sleep. He has awarded your servants and all the members, and one more precious gift which he has given for Lady Macbeth. And his Benko expresses on behalf of the king that king was very happy with the hostess and the service which was done by Lady Macbeth and all. And then Macbeth also says that being unprepared, our will became the servant to defect which else should have wrought. तो कहता है कि हमारा जो है इस वजह से कि हम तैयारी नहीं थी और तैयारी नहीं होने की वजह से हम ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से अरेंज नहीं कर पाए, सेवा नहीं कर पाए. एंड देन बेंको सेज ऑल इज़ वेल, ये सब कुछ बढ़िया है. आई ड्रीम्ड लास्ट नाइट वन ऑफ 3 वियर्ड सिस्टर्स टू यू दे हैव शोड सम ट्रूथ. और फिर बेंको वापस उस बात को याद करता है कि सर मुझे रात को सपना आया था. आई हैव अगेन थॉट अबाउट द 3 वियर्ड witches which they met at the heath, and whatever they predicted about Macbeth has come true. So Macbeth, वो बेंको कहता है कि वो जो उनकी जो भविष्यवाणी थी वो मुझे वापस याद आई और